In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, amidst the lush green hills and rhythmic reggae beats, there lives a young woman named Sister Vivyanna'S. At just 20 years old, she chose a reverent path to travel, dedicating her time to faith, service, and love. Vivyanna'S grew up in a beautiful coastal village, where the ocean's waves sung lullabies, and the community shared everything. From a young age, she was filled with compassion, often helping her neighbors and caring for the vulnerable. Her faith was garnered and nurtured by the inspiration of her mother's stories of hope and resilience. One day, while volunteering at a local eye clinic, Vivyanna'S met a girl named Johanna, who was suffering from acute symptoms and loneliness. Seeing Johanna's anxieties, Vivyanna'S decided to visit her regularly, bringing small gifts and sharing stories of hope. As days turned into weeks, Johanna's smile returned, and she found strength in Vivyanna'S kindness. Recognizing her calling, Vivyanna'S entered the convent at 18. The decision wasn't easy, leaving her family and community, but she believed her purpose was to serve others. She spent her days studying, praying, and caring for at-risk individuals, always with a joyful smile that uplifted everyone around her. Despite her youth, Vivyanna'S wisdom shone through in her acts of love. She organized community programs, helped children learn to read, and brought comfort to the elderly. Her faith was her guiding light, illuminating her path amid the challenges. One evening, during a sunset service, Vivyanna'S reflected on her journey. She thought of her family, her village, and the people she'd helped. She felt a deep sense of calm, knowing her duty was a testament to love and faith. Her story is a reminder that even the youngest among us can make a difference, through kindness, faith, and a willing heart. Sister Vivyanna'S light continues to inspire many, shining brightly in the heart of Jamaica.